Hey crafters, guess what time it is? It's paper pumpkin time! Today's paper pumpkin is the Christmas 2025 paper pumpkin kit. But if you don't have it, don't worry. You want to stay and watch this video because we have 7 fantastic card designs to share with you that are all occasion. We just happen to be using the paper pumpkin kit to create these designs. So let's head down to the crafting table and let me show you these fantastic designs. First off, I want to show you just a few additions that we made. We added some red cardstock in cherry cobbler. We also grabbed some circle dies. You will have those in your stash as well. And then possibly you might have some scalloped edge dies as well. Now let me show you the stamps that they gave us. Look at those pretty little stamps. They also gave us a bunch of punch outs that we're going to use. But I want to remind you, you don't have this kit, not to worry. You are going to want to make these designs. Our first design is this top fold, and you open it up. And look at this. We have a gift card. Oh, did I not mention that? Every card, 7 of these designs, they're all gift cards. Now, you can take that gift card out if you want. You don't have to put that in there. But look at this design. Oh, my goodness. We embossed this top mat right here. We added their punch out. We added their rhinestones. And look at that. Very simple on the front, but just beautiful. We also used 2 embossing folders, and this is the Plaid Forever. Look at that. You open it up, you have a little pocket here for a gift card, and it slides right in. And look at that beautiful stamp, Merry Christmas. This came with the kit as well. And this is our first design. Now make sure you check below this video. I will have the links that take you to a video to show you how to make this. So make sure and check below the video. Let's move on to our second fantastic card. Oh, look at this one inside. We just took their card that they gave us in the kit and we split it in half. We cut it diagonally. Look at those. Look at that. So pretty. And then we embossed some cherry cobbler cardstock or dark red. This is where we used our scalloped edges, creating this nesting effect. And this is garden green and white. And then we added that beautiful pop out that they gave us, making sure to include those gorgeous rhinestones, right? Look at that. We put them right there. And then we stamped to the world, joy to the world right there. Now, as you open it up, we put our Merry Christmas. We used the stamp that came with it to just be focal points on both sides of the Merry Christmas. And then we added a gift card right here. Look at this diagonal. We just took a 3-inch square. We cut it diagonally. And then we put our tear and tape just on the sides, just like that. Now, this one will not have a video, but remember, this top part is just 5.5 by 4 1/4 mat cut diagonally. And then you just glue it right on top. Oh my goodness. I love this large joy. It is so incredibly beautiful. Now you're going to love this next one. Look at this card. This will have a video link below this video. Look at this. You pop it up. We have a little place to hold a little gift card right there. We matted this. Now you could also put your gift card just like this. And look at the front. This is the trees that they gave us in the kit. We just added our own little stand right there and deck the halls. Look at that. We embossed our mat. This is so pretty. And it looks so rich. Okay, so that is number 3, and this will have a link below this video. Moving on, let's look at this card. We simply cut their card apart, added some cherry cobbler, and we also embossed it with that Forever Plaid, which is just a dark red cardstock. We cut out a opening and we added their little cute leaves that they gave us along with those adorable rhinestones. And when you open this up, it has another card inside it. Look at that. We simply stamped Deck the Halls. You open it up, stamped Merry Christmas, and then did our little triangle hack right here to create a gift card holder. You just slide in your gift card holder, and there you have it. Oh, do you see how rich these colors go together? So if you don't have this paper pumpkin kit, you can mix in some dark red and some greens, and look how rich these colors look together. But we're not done yet. I have 3 more designs to share with you. Let's look at this one. They gave us an ornament. We layered the top on, where the one that's red is layered on top of the beige one. We added that cute little pop out that they have. We added everything up on dimensionals just to pop it up. And then we stamped Deck the Halls on the little pop out they gave us. We embossed this, added our dark cherry or our cherry cobbler cardstock. You open it up and look what we did with those little trees. We just created the gift card holder. So we just put some tear and tape right here on the bottom and on the sides, and you can just slip that right in. We added Merry Christmas and just gorgeous. Okay, so we have 5 of our 7 cards we're going to share with you. What do you think about these cards? Are you liking these cards? We love the colors. So remember, these are fantastic designs to use for all occasions. Next, we have a panel card that will have a link below this video. Look at this. To begin with, this panel card is attached to a landscape card. So look at this. Now, let me tell you the trick to this one. You take a mat, or in this case, we took the mat that they gave us from the kit, and we just put a slit right there. We put tear and tape around the side, and then we just put our gift card right through that slit that we created. Look at that. You close this, we created our panels on the side. We embossed them, once again, with those rich colors of cherry cobbler, which is a dark red. And then this is a little flap card on top. We use the cute little star stamp. So cute. Oh my goodness. And finally, we have this flap card. Now, this will have a link below, but the measurements, I'll try to get them exact. We had to increase this flap because this beautiful ornament is so large. But look at that. We put Merry Christmas across the ornament. We raised it up on some dimensionals, and this goes on the flap. You open it up, and we just put our little gift card holder right there. So you have it right there on the right-hand side. You have plenty of room to write your message. You can write it on the back, and you can write it here on the flap, lots of places. But look at that. Oh dear, I just love these colors. Maudie and I had so much fun with this kit. And yes, we had plenty more supplies and materials to make more cards, but these are just such beautiful cards, and they just looked so rich. So if you need some quick Christmas cards, these are for you. If you need some quick all-occasion cards, these designs are for you. So we hope you stayed until the end of the video. We hope that you're inspired on how to use your kit and just how to use your craft supplies. And if we did inspire you, we sure would appreciate you to share, like, and subscribe to our channel and help us grow. Maudie and I just appreciate you so much. We hope you go out and have a fantastic day. And until next time, we wish you lots of creative moments. Bye-bye.